Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the meaning behind the labels on your fruit and vegetables. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Okay, so have you ever noticed when you're grocery shopping and let's say you need to go to self-checkout to check out your groceries and you have to type in the code that's on your, let's say, apple or a banana or an avocado, whatever the item is. So that label is called a PLU label, which is the price lookup label. So you enter in that PLU code when you're at self-checkout and it tells you the price, right? Well, you're not just looking for the price. Those numbers actually differentiate how the fruits and vegetables are grown. So the labels are divided into 3 categories: conventional, genetically modified, and organic. Now, there's a 4-digit code, which means your produce was grown conventionally, which means it has grown with pesticides and chemicals in probably depleted soil. The 5-digit code, starting with the number 8, means that your produce is genetically modified. The other 5-digit code that starts with the number 9 means that it's certified organic. So, like, let's say I purchase avocados. Avocados, from the top of my head, because I buy a lot of avocados, is 4225. So you type that in, it starts with a 4, it's conventionally grown. That's pretty much what it means. If you want to pay attention to your fruits and vegetables, look at the PLU number and see if it's organic or not. All right, so I hope you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.